other thing that you can do with this is if you hold now Shift and spacebar like we did before, here write U and N, you see this tool, underlay. Okay, now this is only this, but imagine now if I have here, I have my fast noise, but I also have another media in. And now we're gonna go here where our media pool is, and for example I'm gonna drag this picture. So I'm just gonna drag it here. Another merge has been created with another media in. Okay, however, it's on top of this, so I'm not seeing this now. Okay, if I wanted to do this, now I have the media in here too, so I'm gonna keep that. I know if I now press 1, we can see that, okay, it's this one. So we're gonna, first what we're gonna do is in the edit page, we don't see anything, okay, because this is media we imported here. We're gonna connect this, okay, we're gonna connect it, and we're gonna first go here now, add our merge that we deleted before, connect this merge with this one, then this one with this one, and now yes, we're gonna connect our media into. Okay, so now obviously this layer is the only one we see, so we're gonna double click in our merge and we're gonna talk about our merge attributes. Okay, or imagine if I just want to show a part of this, then I'm gonna go here, key ellipse, and now I have an ellipse. And he connected me the ellipse here. Okay, so now I have like two elements. I have my fast noise, okay, and then this one too. Okay, so I have all of this. Okay, so what I would do is, I know this is one media, I know this is another that I generated, okay, with a color corrector. Okay, this one, imagine if I have this eclipse, which is a mask, okay, I'm gonna touch here, as you can see, my effect, or you can do it by dragging down, dragging left or right, okay, here. Make sure you are in this circular, in this circle, okay, in these reds, and as you can see it hovers, so you just hold left click, hold it and move it, okay. And also you can do it with your inspector, okay. Now soft edge, this in the mask is to make your edge softer, okay, so you don't actually see the mask that much. And then you can also here modify your border of the mask, okay, so something like this. Okay, so I'm modifying my ellipse, I'm modifying my mask. Okay, a mask is something that you just order, I wanna see this or I don't want to see this, okay. So it's as simple as that, is just saying I want you to let me see only this part of this media in, okay, of this image, or I don't want you to show me that. For example, if I didn't want to show that, that is what I'm showing, I go to my ellipse, okay, and here behind my border in the inspector I have invert. So if I just press invert, it's gonna invert me, okay. Now I would soften a bit this, my border too, okay. So why I'm doing all this? Because we're gonna see this tool. Now, as you can see, this is a bit tricky. Okay, so first thing, I can move here. Okay, this is a mini map you have. Okay, you can also make it bigger or smaller. Okay, then you move a bit the things, and now what I'm gonna do is create a group of nodes. Okay, so I'm gonna just select these three because Okay, it's too many things. Okay, so you can see I can change everything of each one. Okay, and also the blur. So it's affecting me only this image, our media in, not the fast noise, and neither this. Okay, so now I have this. I'm gonna select all these three, and I'm just gonna press Shift spacebar. I'm gonna write UN. I'm gonna press this one. I'm gonna add it, and a little box has been created. Okay, and we can rename this little box if we want. Okay, so we just go here and just press F2. Okay, and we're gonna rename. However, be careful because this is this one. Okay, we don't want to rename this one. We don't want to rename the blur. We want to rename this underlay one. Okay, so we just rename this. The hotkey is F2 to name it. Okay, but be careful because if he's gonna ask you to rename these three, so just say no until you get to the underlay one. Okay, and we're gonna name it effects. And now effects, our effects box has been created, so we can move it. Is comfortable, much more comfortable. Okay, if we don't want these effects in this box, we wanna change it for some reason, we just put them out, and to delete we select it and we can delete it. Okay, but yeah, I would like these effects to be in, so I just gonna put them right in. So very easy, very handy this. And again, this is sort of layers. Here I have my FX layers. Okay, this is generators. All this is we generated some image. Okay, so here if I had another generator, now I wanna add some background generator.